do you have any data po or, can you share to us the current gaps or challenges faced by individuals with autism and their families here sa Davao City po?
Yeah, actually, we don't have the specific data. No? If you're asking about the number of cases as far as autism is concerned, but studies have shown in Asia, Europe, and North America that the prevalence rate for autism is about basically 1 to 2% in the population. So basically, conservatively, it could be translated here in the Philippines to 1.2 million cases for prevalence. Now, the gap, marami tayong challenges as far as autism is concerned. Una kasi, it's very hard to engage at the same time. Ang characteristics for individual with autism, as you know, kailangan taas ng presensya, we are not being sociable, is naka-socialize. So these are some of the challenges. But through our group, Autism Society Philippines, we're trying to make sure that these individuals can be a part of the society. They could be highly productive, independent individuals. They can contribute well to our society.
Going back to the event po on Sunday po, bale, the Angels Walk has been, implemented for over years now, sir. No, I think it started before pandemic. Yes, yes. Do you see any significant things or progress that happened over the years as you continuously implement or conduct this Angels Walk?
Yeah, actually, I think this program is very powerful tool for us, no? Because apart from our advocacy for the society to be fully accepted, we want to create awareness. Basically, we want to have the feeling of being accommodated and being appreciated. Talagang naging part na tayo dito sa society na alam na nila, hindi na, marami kasing myth sa autism. So, hindi na talaga basta-basta parang sinabi, ano na ba yan? So, hindi lang tayo binabaliwala. So, with this program, naging maraming grupo, maraming individuals, maraming civic societies, at saka schools, even the government has been very vocal at the same time appreciative of the things that we have done para sa mga children's work.
Right, sir. Follow up po, beyond the event itself po, what concrete impact does the Angels Walk, especially the Autism Society Philippines, aim to achieve this year po, especially in Davao City, in terms of policies and community support for individuals that belong on the autism spectrum?
Yes, aside from this now, because this is a one-time activity ng atong Angels Walk for autism, but we have lined up other programs. As I mentioned, we have so-called Autism Works, meron tayong family support group, and then we have also other activities na tayong natawag na autism abilities, wherein some of the spread schools and even mga private organizations have been helping us train our children and adults with autism. May training tayo. Continuous training natin talaga. Para sa
last question na lang po. After April 26, the Angels Walk po, what long-term initiatives should we expect from Autism Society Philippines moving forward?
Yes, moving forward, of course, we want to have a continuous, I would say, acceptance that these individuals with autism be fully inclusive. So in fact, the government has now, mayroon tayong mga laws that would support our advocacy.